Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically I'm going to answer a question that I've gotten a lot lately, and that is, how do you use Cash App boosts? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's really not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use Cash App boosts? Well, that's pretty easy. Cash App is a popular company, and because of that, from time to time they do offer various discounts. They call them Cash App boosts. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in the Cash App. It's this green and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Cash App now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App. This is the home screen here. Now here on the home screen, if you want to know how to use Cash App boosts, first what you want to do is you want to click on your card icon down here on the bottom left. Once you click there, you're going to see more information about your Cash App Cash Card account. Now in order to use Cash App boosts, you want to click on this green button right here. It's called Add Boost. Okay, so here in this section, it's going to show all of the different boosts or discounts that are available using your Cash App Cash Card. If you don't have a Cash App Cash Card and you need to apply for one, check my video description. I'll try to leave my video that describes that process in detail. However, once you have your Cash App Cash Card, you do have access to all these different discounts. However, they're not automatically added to your account. You need to scroll through these from time to time and see if one applies to you. So for example, if you know that you're going to be shopping at Foot Locker and using your Cash App Cash Card, you want to be sure to go through your boosts like I am and go ahead and add this boost by clicking on this gray button. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up and it says that 7% off and that my boost has been added. And for the terms of this boost or discount with my Cash App Cash Card, they do let you know that you do need to use your Cash App Cash Card at checkout. If you don't use your Cash App Cash Card for the payment, then you're not going to qualify for this 7% off boost. So let me click on Got It. Once you do that, it just refreshes here to the other boosts that are available in your Cash App. So let me click on this one for Shake Shack. All right, it says boost has been added. And now I have the boost for Shake Shack, 15% off each order when I'm using my Cash App Cash Card. As you can see, the button is no longer white saying add. It's now been grayed out and says it has been added. Now, if you want to see where that you can confirm this has been added, go ahead and close this down. Okay, once you click there, then you can see that my boost, instead of saying add boost, it now says Shake Shack 15% off each order. You of course can change that at any time. Go ahead and just click on the swap button. And now you can go ahead and search for a different type of Cash App boost. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to use Cash App boost, that's the easiest way I know how to use it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.